Today I'll be showing you how to make this goat meat rice. This rice is very simple but super delicious. If you are new to this channel, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing and don't forget to click on the bell notification so that you always get notified each time I upload a new video. Don't forget to like this video and leave your comment for me in the comment section. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you for your constant support. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's just get straight to this video. Don't forget to do all of that good stuff to this channel. So guys, I have my rice here. I'm using the regular long grain rice. And here I have my tatashi and my scotch bonnet pepper. Tatashi is a sweet pepper, it's not hot at all, okay? So I'm adding it because of the color and some sweetness. And here is my chopped onions and my washed goat meat. So now we are going to start cooking our goat meat, and into my pot I'll be adding in my goat meat. Then I'll add in my chopped onions, and I'll be going in with my pepper. I'll add in my curry powder now. Just feel free to go in with any spice and seasoning of your choice, okay? And then I'll be adding in this Mr. Chef goat meat spice. I'll be adding my seasoning cube. I'm using the Maggi Niger pot. I'm going to mix everything to properly combine. And then I'll add in water, okay? I'm going to cover this pot now and I'll allow this meat to cook. I'm going to cook this until the meat is cooked. So guys, if you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed, why? What is my offense? Please subscribe, okay, and give the video a thumbs up. So now our goat meat is cooked. I'll just take it out and then we'll start making our rice. I'm going to be frying this goat meat, but you can fry it, can deep fry it if you want to. So guys, to cook this rice, I'll be adding in some vegetable oil in my pot. I'm just going to heat up this oil. And once the oil is heated, I'll be adding in my chopped onions. Then I'll be adding in my curry powder. This is optional. If you don't want it, you can just skip it, okay? I'm just going to stir, allow this to fry for a minute or two, just so the onions can release its flavor in the oil. And once it's fried, I'm going to be adding in my pepper, my blended pepper, roughly blended pepper. Then I'm going to mix this and fry it some more. So now I'll be adding my stock fish flakes. This is optional. If you don't have it, you can just leave it, okay? Your rice will still come out tasty. I'm going to just mix this properly now. And then I'll add in my seasoning cube. So now I'll be adding in my rice. This is washed rice. I didn't avoid the rice. I just washed the rice with hot water and salt. I washed it until the water runs clear. So I'm just going to stir fry this rice. I'll be stir frying this rice for 5 minutes, okay? Keep an eye on the rice. So you're going to be stirring it at intervals. So now I'll be adding in my meat stock and I'll be going in with more water to cook this rice. So I'm going to mix everything together. At this point, you can test for salt, and if you think you need more salt, you can just adjust your seasoning. I'm just going to cover now and I'll allow the rice to cook. And guys, our rice is cooked now. Look how beautiful this rice. Even as it is like this, it's still tasty and yummy. But no, we are not done. I'm just going to flip it up now. I will take this down and you see that my goat meat I cooked earlier and the fried. We are going to be making peppered goat meat with it. I hope you are enjoying the video. Please like the video, okay? If you have not liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. So in my dried pan, I'll be heating up some vegetable oil. Then I'll add in my chopped onions. I'm just going to fry this for 2 minutes. I'm going to stir. I'll be adding in my pepper. So if you don't like spicy food, you can just skip this pepper part and add in only your tatashi. So now I'll be adding in my roughly blended tatashi. So you can just add in only the tatashi because the tatashi is not hot, just sweet, okay? But like it spicy. I'll be going in with my curry powder now. I'm going to add in my curry powder. And then I'm going to stir this to mix everything together. I'm going to fry this for a few minutes, okay? So now that our pepper meat is fried, I'll be adding in my seasoning cube. So guys, I added in my goat meat. Okay, I didn't know that part did not show. I'm so sorry. So I added in the goat meat and I covered the pot, allowed it to fry for a few minutes so that the salt can enter into the goat meat, can penetrate in the goat meat. So now that our pepper goat meat is ready, I'm just going to mix this very well now. So here we have our peppered goat meat, and then I'll be introducing back my rice into this sauce. Have you subscribed? Have you liked this video? Have you shared this video? Please share my video. Share my video, please. Share it to your friends. Share it to everybody. Share. Okay? It's free. There's no hidden charges at all. And then I'll be adding in my curry leaf. See, this curry leaf takes the taste of this rice to another dimension. I'll just add in my curry leaf now, and then I'm going to mix this rice so that it can marry very well with this sauce. I'll just mix everything very well. And here we have it. Our goat meat rice is ready. See, this rice is the bomb. This is so yummy. This rice is so delicious, guys. I want you to try this rice and make sure you save this recipe. Okay, save it. Save this recipe and thank me later. Please don't forget to do all of that good stuff to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have not given this video a thumbs up, please do it now so that you will not forget. Okay, like this video and leave your comment for me. I love to read your comments, guys. Please leave your comment for me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.